Okay, meeting na kami ngayon. Uwian na. Lakad lang. Napakalapit. Ayun yung building namin. Diba? Ito lang buhay. Door. Alright. Ito naman yung building namin na tinutuluyan tong kami sa pinakatok-tok. Second day. Walking lang. Nakita yung building niya kulay blue. Doon kami. So, second day. Let's go.
The parents are calling me, you want to tutor the students, so that's how I survive. And then of course my daughter also helped me, so she loves baking, so she keeps on watching the YouTube, and then from there I was able to bake cinnamon, cookies, and then my
Kuya. Si Bernard. Send ko kay Marimar. Tsaka si
Sir Bernie.
Bernie. Si Jan.
Sino ba si Marimar pala?
Si Gary pala.
Pati
Tsaka si Jan.
ano yung tsura ko?
Vlog yan, vlog.
Oh, na, lagi.
Di ba Kuya Earl?
Oh.
Iyan no? Okay, papatahi kami. Yeah. Batchmate. Batchmate. Tapos ka na, Kate? Iwanan ka na, Kate? Okay, this is my third day. Third day orientation pala. Okay, tara, pasok tayo. Kasi yung nakalagay sa akin. Fourth day. Let's go.
Boxes. May espresso machine. Magtuturo ko ng...
Okay, fifth day of orientation. Let's go. Okay, dito ang room ko for my advisory class. Malapit ako sa bintana. Okay, ito po ang aking lalagyan ng design. Yan, wala pa. Wala ron. Hanggang dito. Yung pinto. Ito yung likod. Dito naman ang room 6.
Naman. Ay, vlog na naman.
Yes! Oh, di ba? Ay! At ito yung bago. Sino ka?
Hello po! Welcome to my guys!
So, ayan. With 200 budget. Ito yung gagawin kong design. Ito yung room na lalagyan natin ng decors. Ayan. Ito si Sir.
Hello.
Doon siya sa room na yun. Ayan. Okay. Maglalagay daw siya doon ng zoo. Tapos ito yung mga pinamili. Okay. 200 budget. 200 budget. Is it enough? Enough ba yun? Super ano? Sobrang enough ano? Yeah, follow nyo ha. Yes.
Oh, sa'yo.
Magkano yung sa akin, miss? Alright. Kung gusto nyong kung teacher kayo, dito kayo pumunta nang makabili kayo ng pan-design. Uy, may glitters oh. Ganda. Oh, 'di ba? Sa mga artistic ka ba? Oh, meron ditong tawag yan Manila. Ah? Nalimutan ko. How much?
7 daw, 75.
Okay, nagawa ko na yung sabon. Ayun, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At ito, puno. Tapusin ko pa. Hindi pa rin ako tapos. Ayan. This is my door. Welcome, 6th grade. Diba? Safari. Grade 6, Timothy. And my handle subject will be AP, TLE, and ESP. Okay? Para sa mga estudyante, for them to be encouraged. Keep going. What's yours will come. Don't settle. You're the best and everything. Congrats. That's my objective. Mission, vision. And for my whiteboard, I will be using tar papel. So whiteboard, lalagyan na lang ng plastic. Dahil meron kaming online, kasama yung online class namin sa pagtuturo namin face to face. Ayan, so the school provided us projector. Isa-isa kami ng projector with HDMI. Siyempre kailangan HDMI. So I will try this later on. Okay? Para makita kung maganda siya.